everyone! Today we are going to be opening more Hatchimals and have the rest of our garden bird collection in the background. So let's get started. So let's open the first Hatchimals blind bag. That's what the front looks like. That's the back. So let's start opening it. So let's see who we got. So here's the egg, as you can see right over here. And it's in this little shell, as you can see. So let's open it up. There we go. Now let's get the egg out. And then here's the egg. I'll show you a little around it. And now we're going to rub the heart. And when it turns pink, we can open it up. As you can see, it's turning pink. Alright, let's see if it's ready. Let's see. Move it a little more. Yeah, there we go. Ready to hatch. Oh, I see someone red in there. Let's see if we can get him out. Break the egg. Let's see. I just looked at the checklist and it looks like we got Swoder. As you can see right over here. And he has a green stomach. And he has silver wings. And he's from the river family. So let's open the second Hatchimals blind bag. That's what the front looks like, and that's the back. So let's open it up. Tap, tap, tap. Let's try that again. There we go. Alright, let's see who we got. So here's the shell again with the egg inside. So let's open the little shell up so we can get the egg. We open up the shell, so let's take the egg out. So now let's rub the heart. See how it's getting pink? That means it's almost ready to hatch. See? There it is. Awesome. I see someone hiding in there. Can you see him? Alright, let's see if we can get him out. There we go. So it looks like we got a skunk, as you can see right over here. And I like how he's purple and blue. Pretty cute. We just looked at the checklist and it looks like we got Skunkle, as you can see right over here. And he's from the forest family. Now let's open the last Hatchimals blind bag. So this is what the front looks like. And that's the back. So let's open it up. Alright, so let's take it out of the bag. And this time it is a season 2 one. So let's open it up from its shell. There we go. So this is what the egg looks like this time. As you can see, I'll show you around. So let's rub the heart. See how it's turning pink? That means it's almost ready. Alright, let's see. I see someone in there. Do you see the eyeball? Now I see a face. So let's break the egg open a little more so he can come out. I just looked at the checklist and it looks like we got Donkamoo, as you can see right over here. And he's from the farm category. Which Hatchimals was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed our Hatchimals video. Bye!